We're here today with Emma Poposka, Director of Ookami. Emma, thanks for your time.
Thank you for inviting me.
Are you able to share some of the history of Ookami?
So Ookami started as an investment platform to streamline the entire process, how investors get exposed to unique deals. And now we are kind of migrating towards providing investors opportunity to invest in digital assets. By the end of the last year, they invested in a company called BronTech. I'm one of the co-founders of that company, and that's when I became part of the board. BronTech pretty much specializes in KYC and AML, and identity and data aggregation and management. So that was the first step of Ookami creating this digital asset ecosystem where investors can be verified and identified properly according to Australian legislation and streamlined into the investment platform. A month ago, the company also invested in digital asset exchange, NCX. It's a Perth-based digital asset exchange. So now we can facilitate the entire process of investors who already hold crypto assets to funnel those assets back into the investment community through the initial platform that Ookami created, and that's Akela.
What's the rationale behind linking and making those investments into those specific business units?
So in the traditional sense, Akela was positioned to streamline investments in traditional sense. So to streamline investments of investors in equity. However, with digital assets, we had to create a bigger ecosystem that will facilitate the entire transaction from identifying who these customers are. And most of these customers will be investors that are already investing in the crypto ecosystem, and they will hold some kind of decentralized digital identity that they use across different platforms, hence the investment in BronTech. So the investment in BronTech from Ookami's point of view is to enable the investors to invest in not just through the Akela platform, but throughout the entire ecosystem. And then on the other hand, as I said, most of these investors have already invested in digital assets. So we wanted to capitalize on that as well, making the access to digital assets easier by facilitating the investors to channel back the digital assets that they already have. It's a great value proposition for them. So that's why Ookami decided to invest in a digital exchange that will create this payment gateway, so how investors can channel the money back to Akela.
So what should investors of Ookami look for going forward?
Anyone who's interested in investing in Ookami or the already existing shareholders can expect from us a tighter synergy between the already existing partners and investments that Ookami has made. So tight synergies between Akela and BronTech, in particular with the BronID protocol, and also tight synergy between Akela and NCX. For this ecosystem to work, all these different pieces have to work seamlessly between each other to facilitate a frictionless experience for our customers. In the future, we are also looking to take more opportunities in the capital raising landscape and how it is changing. So maybe moving from traditional equities and expanding our horizon to marketing in the initial stage digital assets. And that's what we initially started today.
Emma, exciting times ahead. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.